There have been 2 pit bull shootings in the last 2 weeks in Abilene neighborhoods, and last week a police officer shot and killed a pit bull that was threatening people. Last night a pit bull was shot, seen threatening a young girl. The girl fortunately unhurt. KTX's reporter Sheena Stout spoke with Animal Services to learn more on properly restraining your animals.
Wayne, there have been 38 citations issued just this month for owners failing to restrain their pets. Animal Services Manager Aaron Vanoy says failure to restrain is one of the top reasons they're called. Around 6 o'clock yesterday evening on South 13th and Jeanette, a neighbor saw 2 pit bulls threatening a young girl and took action. A neighbor fired a shotgun at one of the pit bulls, and it was struck by a few pellets.
Well, they have to keep them in a fenced yard.
Animal Services Manager Aaron Vanoy says any person who feels threatened by an animal has a right to protect themselves, but shooting the animal should be a last resort.
Allow the public safety folks, the animal control, the police department to take care of and take control of that situation. We encourage that person to stay in their vehicle or stay in their home, collect their children, and get in the home and call 911.
The pit bull involved in the incident yesterday was not properly restrained, and 2 citations were written. One for failure to restrain the animal.
That's a Class C misdemeanor citation that's issued, and then municipal court sets the actual fine for that, but it could be up to $500.
The second citation, the dog wasn't vaccinated. And it is a city ordinance that every person who owns a dog must keep it restrained at all times.
Thank you, Sheena. Here are the facts on what it means to legally keep your pet restrained. The animal must be confined on the premises of the owner within a fence or fastened by a lead, a rope, or a chain. The pet must be under the control of a person by a leash or in a vehicle being driven or parked. The animal must be at heel beside a competent person and obedient to the person's command.